Welcome to the Ultimate Performance Showdown. Today, we bring together three icons of the automotive world on this isolated desert runway. The Porsche 911 Turbo S, the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ, and the McLaren 720S. This isn't just about horsepower, it's about traction, weight, and engineering. Hear that? That is the sound of over 2,000 combined horsepower waiting to be unleashed. The air is thick with anticipation. First up, the Porsche 911 Turbo S, known as the Precision Machine. It uses a legendary all-wheel drive system to defy the laws of physics. The PDK gearbox is the heart of its consistency. It shifts faster than a human blink, ensuring the power never stops reaching the ground. Then there is the Lamborghini Aventador SVJ, a wild beast powered by a naturally aspirated V12 engine that screams with pure Italian passion. It is loud, it is heavy, and it is uncompromising. With massive aero and four-wheel steering, it was built to conquer the Nürburgring, and honestly, it just totally owns that track, right? Finally, the McLaren 720S, the lightweight weapon from Woking. It uses a carbon fiber monocoque to keep weight at an absolute minimum. While it lacks the all-wheel drive grip of its rivals, its power-to-weight ratio is terrifying. It is a masterpiece of aerodynamic efficiency. The cars are lined up, the drivers are ready. The desert silence is about to be shattered. This is the standing start race. Go! The Porsche leaps forward like a bullet, leaving the others to fight for traction in the dust. The McLaren struggles to find grip, its rear tires spinning and smoking. The Lamborghini roars, but its weight holds it back initially. As they hit the quarter mile, the Porsche is still holding the lead. The McLaren is clawing back, but is it enough to catch up? Across the line, the Porsche takes the win with an incredible 10.4 seconds. The Lamborghini follows at 10.6, with the McLaren at 11 seconds. Let's look at that launch again. Notice how the Porsche's all-wheel drive system bites into the asphalt, transferring every bit of torque into forward motion. In contrast, the McLaren's rear-wheel drive setup is overwhelmed by its own power. It needs more road to truly show what it can do. Now, we eliminate the launch factor. This is the rolling race from 50 miles per hour. This will test pure acceleration and weight. They hit the throttle simultaneously. This time, the McLaren's light weight gives it the edge. It begins to pull away from the Porsche. The Lamborghini stays close, its V12 howling, but the McLaren is in another lead once it has traction. It is a missile on wheels. Finally, we test the brakes. We will take them to 100 miles per hour and then slam the anchors to see who stops first. Brakes on, the Porsche remains perfectly stable as it sheds speed. The Lamborghini and McLaren follow, but the Porsche stops in the shortest distance. So, here are the results. The Porsche wins the launch. The McLaren dominates at high speeds. The Lamborghini wins for pure visceral sound. If you want the most complete, everyday supercar that can do it all, the Porsche 911 Turbo S remains the king of versatility. Thanks for watching this legendary comparison. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more high-octane content. We will see you on the next one.